Is your name Neema? Yes? Okay. How are you, Neema?
I'm happy.
Wow. Are you hungry today? Hungry? No? No. What food do you like?
Spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti. I like spaghetti. Do you like pizza? Hamburger?
No.
No. Maybe you like ice cream.
Yes.
Yes, you do juice. Do you like juice? Orange juice. Do you like orange juice?
Yes.
Yes. I like. Do you like yogurt? Yogurt. Do you like it? Yogurt. You don't like. Okay. What kind of animal do you like? What animals do you like?
No.
Dogs. What does a dog say? What does the dog say? Meow. No. What does it? Yes. Good. Oh, what does the dog can do? What does the dog do? The dog what? The dog runs, right?
It's fast.
Run fast, right? What else? The dog can, they can jump, right? Yes, okay. So, are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, speak loudly, alright, Nina?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Here, look at the picture. Which place is this in your house? Is this a kitchen? Yes or no? Is this a kitchen? Yes or no? Is this a bedroom? No. What is this? This is a?
Kitchen.
No.
Living room.
Yes, living room. Oh my gosh. Living room. Okay, what can you see in the living room? Can you tell me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, go. I can see. I can see what? Say the word. I can see.
Chair.
Chair. Next.
I can see table.
Next. Faster.
I can see television.
Television.
I can see window.
Next. Faster. Nima. Louder.
I can see
What's this? I can see lamp.
lamp.
Next. I can see picture. I can see. I can see
Tree.
no. What's
Window.
a window? I can see traps.
Trash.
Traps. I can see bookshelf. Bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
I can see boy and girl. I can see.
Sofa.
I can see. What's this? Mat. Mat or rug. Rug. Okay, big rug. Right? So now remember the in, on, in front, in between, next to, under, right? Ima, remember? So I will ask you about that. Look at the chair. Where is the chair? The chair is, where is the chair? The chair is in,
It's indoor.
no, in front.
It's front door.
In front of
It's front door.
the, say again, the chair is
The chair is
in front of,
the door.
say again, the chair
The chair is front of
in front of
It's front of
the,
the door.
okay, next, where is the table?
Here.
Yeah, where is the table? So let's say here. Where is it? The table is, where is it? Where is the table, Neema? The table is in front, on, in, between. Where is the table?
It's front of
The,
sofa.
very good. Now let's move on to the trucks. Where are the trucks? The trucks are,
It's front of
the trucks are,
in front of the
no, what's that? The trucks are between
between
the,
the television and table.
very good. Now, where is the window?
Window. It's in front.
In front of
It's front of
or behind?
or
Where is the television? Where is the window?
window. It's
between the lamp and between the lamp. No, between the lamp and yes, between the picture and the lamp. Okay, where is the bookshelf? Where? Not between here. No. Where is this? Where is the look? Where is the bookshelf? Bookshelf is behind the television. All right. Okay, so you have problem with the preposition or place of preposition. So you have to study well, Lima. I'm not happy. So now let's move on to part 2. Okay? Choose picture, please. Choose the picture. Pick picture now. One, get one. What is it? Put the basketball on the chair. On the chair. Okay, next. Get one. What is it? Huh? Balloon. Put balloon. Listen to teacher. Put the balloon under the baby. Under the baby. Next. Get one. What is it? Eraser. Put the eraser next to TV. Next to. Next. What's that? Huh? Egg. Put the egg on the table. Next. What's that? Glasses. Put the glasses on the floor. On the floor. Okay, floor. Okay, now tell me, where is the egg? Where is the egg? The egg? I know. Where? On, in, at. Next to where is the egg? Yes, next. Good. Next. Glasses are. Where are the glasses? On the floor. No. Eraser next to. No. What's this? Yes, under the balloon is the. Alright, that's the end of our speaking test, Neymar. Oh my gosh, okay? Say goodbye to teacher. Goodbye, Neymar. See you again. Study hard, okay? Alright, bye-bye.